Hello friends, welcome to Prodhut channel. In today's video, we will explain in detail about LG 80cm Full HD IPS LED Smart TV 32LH604T. The LG TV, as the slogan says, is not just useful to watch. It comes with superior quality lenses which protect your eyes from harmful rays. There are so many added advantages of buying a TV that make your life a lot easier. It can not only be used for watching shows or some other work, but can be used as a PlayStation 2. Not just suitable for adults. It's super cool for children, and parents no longer have to worry about children being close to the television screen for long hours. This smart TV is a go-to product. Suppose you are looking for something compatible, portable, and just too good for a family enjoying their time at home. Below are the product review and other specifications. Let's see the specifications in detail. The first feature is Full HD. LG Full HD TVs with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels offer you a unique, detailed, and crisp image. The 2 million pixels unfold across the screen offer real-life-like photos with utmost clarity. The next feature is WebOS 3.0. The LG Sensible TVs take the feature and fun of WebOS to the right larger diversion level with this. For one reason and one reason solely, therefore, you'll be prime of your time viewing, which will allow the users to magnify the picture quality. The next feature is Magic Remote. LG Magic Remote with the awesome features is that the most wonderful and simplest thanks to fancy your Sensible TV. It's less complicated to use than your laptop mouse. It fits along utterly with the launcher. The next feature is LG Content Store. You explore for fresh and upgraded content is finished. Notice everything you like concerning diversion in LG Content Store, the one-stop shop for apps, and far lot of. The next feature is Magic Mobile Affiliation. Magic Mobile Affiliation permits viewers to fancy smartphone content and updates on their TV with more convenience. To boot, mistreatment only a Wi-Fi association. They'll fancy their music and video apps on the massive screen. The next feature is Music Player. Music Player lets users fancy varied music varieties through the TV speakers, whereas mistreatment alternative apps or perhaps whereas the TV screen is changed. The next feature is Smart Share. Open your internet and transfer files from some external devices wirelessly on your brand new TV screen or watch TV on another Sensible device with LG Suitable TV's Practical Share. The brand LG introduces a real Sensible TV that connects to alternative devices a lot of merely than ever. Fancy any content while not a constraint. The next best feature is IPS panel. The reason behind LG TV's bright color and the broad viewing angle is that the panel, even as the beam's standard determines the occasional middle, the board's standard determines the TV's bar. LG's IPS panel is why LG light-emitting diode TVs have more precise, consistent, and durable screens. Let's discuss the pros of this TV. Best sound quality. Easily fitted. Affordable. Wi-Fi connectivity. Great display. Why should you buy this? This product has the perfect and best styling with a sleek and excellent design, having the best features and the most affordable with all these features. Having all these features, if a person buys another model in some other brands, it will cost double. This LG TV is perfect for any middle-class family who is looking for TV with all such features. It does not require too much space to fit in, has the best quality audio system or speakers, whatever you may call it. With extra panel which protects the eyes of youngsters, kids or adults. You can use your TV for watching TV shows and connect it with Netflix. Have popcorns and enjoy a good time with your family. You can always have a great way with it even after laying down on your bed. Because of the beautiful sleek design, it has the same visibility from all angles. The display has a built-in temperature that adjusts to light and darkness. The remote system is straightforward to use, and everything is in your hand. Upgrade your software with new updates with just one connectivity. You can connect your Wi-Fi or create a hotspot from your phone and access everything on your television. The LG Content Store has a lot in store. You can add and upgrade your content. You can choose a color of your own choice because of the color variations, whether it be blue, black, or grey. It is one's own choice. Hope we have explained the complete specifications of this TV in a layman terms. Now, it's your choice whether to buy this TV or not. To know the price of this TV, kindly check the description box of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.